Welcome to the Dmitchik Law Firm YouTube channel.
Can US citizens actually get deported? And how do Trump's immigration policies play into this?
So US citizens in their status as a US citizens cannot be deported except by mistake. A couple times I've seen these are rare cases. Occasionally these mistakes happen, but that usually has to do with US citizen not being able to quickly prove that he or she is a US citizen. So for example, they lost their passport and cannot find their naturalization certificate or never received naturalization certificate, never got it. It costs quite a bit of money to get naturalization certificate. So a person for some reason does not have paperwork confirming that he or she is a citizen and gets caught by DHS or ICE. Occasionally that happened in the past. I think it might happen again, but that's, like I said, that's a mistake. So it should not be happening. By law, a US citizen cannot be deported. In order to deport a US citizen, what needs to happen is denaturalization, what I mentioned before. The US government has to first strip this person of US citizen status, denaturalize this person, then make a case that this person should be removed, should be deported. That's actually, these two cases can be connected, and often they are. Oftentimes, it's also sort of separate cases because forcing someone out of the country, forcing someone to leave the country is not necessarily the same as stripping one of US citizen status. So this is how it's supposed to be playing out by law. Denaturalization by law with due process, and then possibly deportation. Now, what most people are saying when they say Trump is going to deport US citizens, usually they're saying it in the context that family members of people who are getting deported will leave with them. When you see the media talking about it, they're usually talking about families, and they're usually saying, oh, US citizen kids will be deported. What is going to be happening is parents who receive deportation orders or who are being detained by ICE, given deportation orders and deported, their children may be taken with them because a lot of parents would choose to take their children with them unless there are other arrangements for the kids to stay in the United States, right? But the kids are not going to be getting removal order. The kids are not going to be legally deported. Technically, those children, US citizen children who leave the country with their parents who are not US citizens, these children can come back anytime. No one can really stop them from coming back.